Getting started in cybersecurity is easier than you think. First, begin by learning the basics of computers and networks. Understanding how the internet works and what makes up a computer system is essential. Next, focus on learning about cybersecurity concepts like firewalls, encryption, and network security. Once you understand the basics, try taking a beginner-friendly course like Cybersecurity for Beginners or Intro to Cybersecurity. After that, practice by setting up your own virtual lab to explore security tools like Wireshark or Nmap. You can also learn ethical hacking techniques by studying resources like Kali Linux or Metasploit. I'll put it in the description. Lastly, consider earning certifications like CompTIA Security or Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, for credibility. And with these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a cybersecurity expert. So stay patient, keep learning, and take one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.